Could you imagine coming across a coin in one of my videos and accidentally spending it later to find out that that coin was worth a lot more money than just a single penny? That's why it's so important to understand what you're looking at when you come across a rare coin and realizing that you do not want to be spending these coins. In this video, I'm going to break down a 2001 penny that sold for a lot of money that you do not want to miss. So if you're looking at these normal 2001 pennies, there's nothing out of the ordinary here. You can see this example is a proof coin. You can tell if you have a proof coin by the field of the coin, which is behind Lincoln there, having a mirror appearance. A lot of the proof coins are minted at the San Francisco Mint, and you can tell if you look at the date there, you will see a small little S mint mark. Depending on which mint mark your coin has will dictate which mint it was printed at and how many coins were minted for that specific mint run. Whether that's a Philadelphia or a Denver coin, a lot of the time Philadelphia minted coins will simply not have a mint mark anywhere on the coin. But without wasting any more time, let's just hop into this coin that sold for a lot of money. So first of all, you can see this is a 2001 D coin. That means it was struck at the Denver Mint, and the first thing you'll also notice is there is a good amount of toning on the coin, which looks like black little speckles. Toning happens depending on where the coin was stored, and the air and the moisture will oxidize with the metal composition inside of the coin. Now guys, this coin sold for $114,000, and you may be looking at the front of the coin and not really understanding why, but guys, this is one of my favorite types of coins here, and you're going to know why right when I flip the coin over, and you can tell that the coin has been muled with a Roosevelt dime reverse. Now this coin was graded by PCGS, a mint state 66 red. Now ideally you want to get the red designation on your coin because that means the coin is as close to its mint condition as possible. Sometimes your coin will be a red brown or it will be a brown type, but red is the one you want to go for. And also remember that 70 is the highest grade we can achieve in grading, and this one is only a few points away from that perfect grade. But honestly, the biggest reason why it sold for so much money is because simply it is muled with a Roosevelt dime reverse, and you have to watch out if you're trying to buy one of these coins online that you're not getting scammed and ripped off, because there are people out there that will shave down two different coins and glue them together or weld them together to make it appear like this sort of air. So you have to be very cautious whenever you're buying anything. You know, there are some snakes out there. Ultimately, you just have to do your homework and do your research. I offer a completely free ebook on my channel. The link is down below, but you really don't have to do that. What I would say is try to absorb as much knowledge as possible. That way, whenever you're making a decision, whether that's buying a coin or selling a coin, you're not getting blindsided by someone and either selling them a coin for too cheap or buying a coin for too much and then getting completely ripped off and scammed. So watch out there, but if you ever come across a coin like this, make sure you contact an expert, but also do a little bit of research and knowledge yourself. That way you have a decent understanding of what's going on here. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the one on the screen now.